Hey everyone, just a follow-up on my Robbins Myers desk fan model 1704. This is the working diagram I have so far. I've done some tests on the wire coming off the PSC motor, and here are the ratings for the resistance. So everything seems to be in working order in the head. So I've took the old wire off because one of them, the capacitor one, was broken inside the fabric, as is usually the case. So someone had spliced removed the old capacitor wire. One of was cut, and they simply put the main on the switch and call it a day. So I've went ahead and ordered a new capacitor. The old one was 2 microfarad and 330 volt, but I've heard that it's alright to go up, not down. So that's what I did. I got this one, which seems to be working fine. So just to let you know, the switch goes from off to high to mid to low, always in that order. You can't run it any other way. And I'll shut up and try to listen to the speed coils and let me know if you think something sounds out of the order. I think they buzz a little, but maybe that's normal. And there's a bit of slack in the right here, so it makes a bit of noise when it runs. But I'll shut up and let you pay close attention. From high to medium. From medium to low. The one wire coming from the PSC is going in the high switch, the high pole. I think it's alright, but just let me know if you spot something that look out of whack beside the Frankenstein wiring. I'm trying to reverse engineer that, so on low it's almost the same. That's almost the same watt as medium. Here's on low. Switch to medium. There's a slight difference, but on high. And off. Yeah, so let me know. Thank you.